Hey, what's up everybody? TooTallToby here, and in today's SOLIDWORKS Power Move, we're going to talk about how to rotate the entire sketch orientation. And the reason this is important is because sometimes you'll have two sketches that you want to be related to one another, and you really want them to have the same orientation, meaning vertical is vertical for both of them. So let me show you what I mean by this. Here what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new sketch plane. So I'm going to pick this planar face, and I'm going to pick this linear edge here, and then I'm going to go into reference geometry plane, and I'm going to make a new plane here at an angle of 30 degrees. And then I'm going to begin a new sketch on that plane. So I pick that sketch plane, begin a sketch, Control-8, which gets me normal 2. And then you can see here that what I could do is I can create a line here that goes vertical, and then I can create a line that comes over horizontal, a short line, a line that comes over, a line that comes down like this, back over like so, back down like this, and then I can close off that sketch. And I think that sketch looks pretty good. It looks like a sketch that I could use and reuse for this lower section down here. So I'm going to exit that sketch, and now I'm going to take that geometry, I'm going to press Control-C, and then I'm going to click here on this face, and I'm going to press Control-V. Interesting result there. It looks like it's actually rotated off by 90 degrees. Now, if you remember, this line here is vertical, right? So is this line vertical as well? Well, let's go into that sketch and take a look. So we say edit sketch, and let's get normal 2. So Control-8 to get normal 2, and so we see here that the orientation of the sketch is off by 90 degrees. So this line actually is vertical. This line here is vertical. They're both vertical. But the thing is, and here I can add the vertical relationship, but the thing is the sketch itself has shifted by 90 degrees. And this happens from time to time in SOLIDWORKS, and it can be a little annoying, especially when you're trying to create lofts between these two sketches. And it's really kind of a quality of life thing. It's not that big of a deal. You could always go back and change the sketch and change it all back to horizontal or whatever. But there is another way that you can resolve this, and that is by using the command tools, sketch tools, modify. Now, this command is going to work in certain conditions. Mainly, you have to be careful about having external relationships in your sketch. But basically, what this command will let you do is it'll let you right mouse button and drag and actually shift the orientation of the entire sketch. So we're not just rotating the sketch geometry here, we're actually rotating that red sketch origin. And the reason that's important is because with the red sketch origin, the shorter arrow is always considered your horizontal, and the longer arrow is always considered your vertical. So these lines here that are being displayed as vertical, they're always going to be running parallel to that longer arrow in your red sketch origin. So that means if you could just rotate that red sketch origin, then you could rotate your sketch into the orientation that you want. And that's exactly what we can do here. We can right mouse button and drag this over to 90 degrees. And now we can see that we have rotated the sketch origin, and we've been able to rotate it so that now both of our sketches have the same orientation, and it just makes it easier to keep things straight and aligned as we are going through and lofting or whatever the application may be. Now, a little side note here, sometimes this happens when you first begin the sketch. So if instead of doing a copy and paste here, I just click in here and choose to begin the new sketch, and now you see that the orientation is off. I've got my longer line going this way, my shorter line going this way, and I want it to be off by 90 degrees. Well, now if I go into Tools, Sketch Tools, Modify, I can't actually do anything. I can't actually use it. It doesn't even light up here. And that's just because I don't have anything on the screen yet. So to resolve this, you could just draw a single line. Usually what I do is I just make a vertical line like so. Just draw one single line there. And then you can do Tools, Sketch Tools, Modify. Now Tools, Sketch Tools, Modify is active. And now I can right mouse button and just drag that around to 90 degrees. And then when I'm done, I can choose Close, and then I can get rid of that line and then begin sketching the geometry that I actually want. The red sketch origin is out here in space. It's no longer aligned to the part origin, but that's okay. When you create relationships in your sketch, you don't create them to the red sketch origin anyway. You create them to the part origin. So you can still create a relationship here to the blue part origin, but now you see that we are sketching vertical as expected, horizontal as expected, and now we can create that geometry and kind of keep everything in line. So I hope that you enjoyed that power move. This is one that doesn't come up every day, but when it does come up, it sure is nice to be able to resolve it in just a few clicks. And if you agree, be sure to hit the like button, be sure to subscribe. Let me know down below in the comments what you thought about this power move. And if you like my style of teaching, be sure to visit us at TooTallToby.com/training. We've got a lot of great SOLIDWORKS courses to help you go from zero to hero. And I will look forward to seeing all of you in the next TooTallToby Power Moves.